Hey guys, just want to give you a quick observation. Again, my little 2 cents analysis on technical side of the Japanese yen futures. So here I'm looking at the max monthly, and I drew my support and resistance zones. So the support zone and resistance, you can kind of look year over year. It's kind of ranging within this area. I think we discussed that before. I also noticed this. I'm sure you guys noticed this as well. From 2015 onward, during the first few months of the new year of the year, is always going to the upside. There's always, after it retreats, there's always positive on January and February. Usually, if you look, you can kind of see every year. The first 2 months is always a green candle that is printing. It's always going. It goes down and it's always going up. Look at the next month. Look at 2019. You can see the same thing. Besides here, besides February, but for the most part, it's going up green, then here green, then it flushed. This probably most likely due to, you guessed it, COVID. Due to COVID and maybe other related factors, Japanese is huge in imports. So with all the lockdowns and things like that, I'm sure the currency wasn't being exchanged, so forth. So that's a little macroeconomics, but I'm sure that affected the currency. But right now, where are we at? It's at the bottom. It's at this support zone, right? You see, it's the price action always stays above for the most part. After 2015, it's resided above this. So what can we potentially predict? What can we look for? Well, based upon looking to the left, right? Look at the price action. What has happened during the year? During those new year, it usually makes a turn to the up. So that's why getting in for a long could be something that you can do. But again, when you do something like this for this stock, you just look at the time factor. These are months, so you're gonna have to hold that position for a couple months. But you can still make profit, But if you want to make, a nice swing trade, you can probably get in and wait for it to get to the upside. Hopefully, it can do one of these here, and like it did in 2015, and break out to the top, right, to this resistance level. So I'm looking at it, analyzing it. Maybe I might do one contract, if I could, and hold it long, and see what happens in the middle of the year. If it at least hits 50% from the support zone. So that's just my little analysis. I think this is definitely a trade, a long trade, but it all depends on many factors. So, perhaps you guys can examine it yourselves and see what patterns stick out to you, and make some profit. All right.